Okay, I want to talk about the smart key system. Toyota has two types of key. One is a smart key, where you just need the key to be on you to enter the vehicle and start it. Another type of key is a regular key that you may get with your vehicle. If you have a regular key, it basically key fob, there's an unlock and lock button, panic, and the key will have to start the car. But if you have a smart key, you might be wondering, hey, what if the batteries are dead and I cannot enter my car? So, great question. On the smart key, you will have a key that's built in, and how you access it is there's a little lock detent that you'd have to flip over, and you can extract the key shank. There is a key shank, and there is one key cylinder, and that would be on the driver's door. And then what you can do is insert the key shank, and you can access the entrance of the vehicle by unlocking it, and then you can enter the vehicle and start the vehicle. So the other item of the smart key is obviously you don't need the key to lock the vehicle. It's on me. I can lock the vehicle by touching the door handle at the front of the door handle, and I can unlock it by touching the back side of the handle to open the vehicle. Now, in some cases, you may have your partner who's waiting on the other side to enter the vehicle, and it's a cold day, and you can program the vehicle so that all the doors open at once. That is a feature that is allowed in the customization. However, we try not to do that because, again, if you're in a dark parking lot, you don't want all the doors to open at once for safety purposes. But should you be in the case where you need all the doors to open, what you can do, a little trick is, you can hold the backside, keep your hand on it for 5 seconds, and after the 5 seconds, you'll hear another beep, and all the doors will now open for you, as you can see.